Good morning from M Squared Microgreens and Hydroponics. This is your 1 week update using the Growace Active Oxygen Grow System. Paired up with the Mars Hydro TS2000. And I'm just going to show you what we got going here. Like I said, I don't try to bore you too much. Our cucumber's doing well. We've got 4 tomatoes doing great. We took out a cucumber and a few beans and put in an eggplant and a jalapeno pepper. The pole beans are going absolutely crazy. We got a butternut squash down in here doing well. This squash is it's getting hard to handle that sucker. And these are little muskmelon over here. I mean, I just put stuff in here 3 weeks ago, and it is absolutely crazy the growth we're getting daily. So shout out to those boys. Let's go check out the NFT table. Arugula is going well. We've harvested quite a few of the lettuces over the week. We're going to harvest the basil this morning. Maybe I had a lettuce or two, but we've got new seedlings going, and it will be about 20 days before we can start harvesting those. Over to the microgreens. Said we're doing about 10 trays every 5 days. Some in blackout, some in germination, and we got a little project down in here too. We are trying to grow black garlic from seed. And first time for everything, we actually have over here, we've got one black garlic growing down in there. That's starting to do quite well. We'll see. You can't import seed or rootstock into Idaho, so we can't get any of that good garlic. So, okay, well, folks, tune in next week. If you like the videos, hit the like button. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and talk to you later, fellow gardeners.